What's the funniest thing your autistic friend has done? My best friend Ryan has autism and sees the world differently than most people. He's super smart with computers, but struggles with some everyday stuff. Last summer, we were at the mall food court when Ryan suddenly looked terrified. He whispered, "We need to leave right now." I looked around but didn't see anything wrong. Before I could ask why, Ryan ducked under our table and crawled toward the exit. People started staring, but Ryan didn't care. He was on a mission. I followed him, totally confused. "Dude, what's happening?" I asked when we got outside. Ryan pointed to the ceiling. "Did you see those balloons? Red balloons?" There were just regular decorations for some sale, but Ryan was dead serious. "I've been tracking patterns. Red balloons always appear 24 hours before thunderstorms." I laughed, but Ryan pulled out his phone and showed me his weather app. No rain predicted anywhere. The next day, massive surprise thunderstorm. Power went out all over town. After that, I started noticing Ryan would avoid places with red balloons. McDonald's birthday parties? Nope. Valentine's Day store displays? Hard pass. 2 months later, we're at my cousin's wedding when Ryan spots red balloons on the ceiling. Without saying a word, he walks straight to the bride, whispers something, and hands her his car keys. She looks confused, but thanks him. 3 hours later, the reception tent collapses from a freak storm. My cousin later told me Ryan had whispered, "Take my car home tonight."